Welcome back to AutoNova, your trusted channel for the latest car reviews, deep dives into automotive engineering, and honest insights into the most exciting vehicles on the road. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of car enthusiasts from around the world. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic and jaw-dropping hypercars ever built, the Bugatti Chiron. The Bugatti Chiron is not just a car. It's a piece of automotive art and engineering excellence. First introduced as the successor to the legendary Bugatti Veyron, the Chiron raised the bar in the hypercar world and continues to dominate discussions about speed, luxury, and innovation. Let's start with the design. The Chiron is instantly recognizable thanks to its aggressive yet elegant stance, signature C-shaped side line, and massive front grille. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, while the aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for looks, it's all about optimizing airflow and cooling at high speeds. Every inch of the Chiron is sculpted with purpose, blending form with function flawlessly. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that screams exclusivity and craftsmanship. Bugatti has focused on minimalism with maximum luxury. High-quality materials such as carbon fiber, leather, aluminum, and custom stitching surround the driver and passenger. The center console is clean and elegant, housing beautifully machined knobs and digital displays. The attention to detail is unmatched, and no two Chirons are exactly the same, as owners can extensively customize their car to their personal taste. Now let's talk performance. This is where the Chiron truly shines. Under the hood lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces a mind-blowing 1,479 horsepower. This monstrous power plant allows the Chiron to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 420 km per hour, or about 261 miles per hour. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast gear shifts, while the all-wheel drive system ensures you stay glued to the road. Of course, owning a Chiron comes at a price. The base model starts at around $3 million USD, but with bespoke customization and limited editions, some variants can exceed $4 million or more. This isn't just a car, it's a rare masterpiece designed for those who want to own one of the fastest, most exclusive vehicles in the world. Thanks for watching AutoNova. Drop your thoughts about the Bugatti Chiron in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and supercar content.